In Book 2, Chapters 7 to 8 of Dune by Frank Herbert, the narrative delves deeply into the themes of survival, ecology, and the intertwining of religion and governance within the inhospitable terrains of Arrakis. Chapter 7 opens with an epigraph from Princess Irulan, reflecting on the life and intrigues within the royal creche where the Emperor resides. This epigraph sets the stage for the chapter by highlighting the deadly nature of political subtlety and self-control, themes that resonate with the harrowing survival story of Paul and Jessica in the desert. As Paul and Jessica venture across the open sand to escape their enemies and find safety, they employ Fremen tactics to conserve moisture and avoid attracting the deadly sandworms that patrol the desert. They use a thumper, a device that creates rhythmic noises to distract a sandworm and navigate the treacherous landscape with caution, mimicking the irregular patterns of the desert's natural inhabitants. Their encounter with drum sand and a subsequent chase by a sandworm underscore the harsh challenges of survival on Arrakis. Their successful evasion leads them to a basin lush with plant life, a stark contrast to the desert's barren expanse. The revelation that this is likely a Fremen sanctuary is cut short by their capture by the Fremen, revealing the omnipresence and efficiency of Fremen survival strategies in the desert. Chapter 8 dramatically shifts perspective to Liet Kynes, the Imperial planetologist and a secret Fremen leader, as he faces his mortality alone in the desert. Wounded and abandoned by the Harkonnens, Kynes' journey is a poignant exploration of Arrakis' ecology and the Fremen's deep connection to their planet. As he crawls through the desert, Kynes reflects on the legacy of his father and the grand ecological project to green Arrakis, juxtaposing his scientific understanding with the Fremen's semi-mystical approach to their environment. Through Kynes' delirium, Herbert explores themes of religion, law, and the dangerous allure of a messianic figure, which Kynes' father believed could lead to disaster. The revelation that Kynes smells the pre-spice mass and the presence of little makers beneath the surface ties the ecological cycle of Arrakis directly to its most valued resource, spice. Kynes' final realization that the universe is governed by accident and error highlights the unpredictability of nature and the fragility of human endeavors, even as he succumbs to the desert. Chapters 7 and 8 of Dune deepen the book's exploration of the complex interplay between human ambition, ecological balance, and the relentless forces of nature. Through the experiences of Paul, Jessica, and Kynes, Herbert portrays Arrakis as a character in its own right, hostile yet vibrant with hidden life, demanding respect, understanding, and adaptation from those who dare to traverse its sands. If this video was helpful to you, please help out the channel by hitting the like button and leaving a comment down below so I can continue to make videos like this one. Thanks for watching. This has been another Bookly Crash Course.